Hey guys, it's KiaTache. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is another exciting video. I'm going to be talking about my Palm Springs Mini, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what can fit in this bag and how I pack it. Alright, so let's just get right to it. So I am in absolutely love with this bag. I really just adore this bag. I think it is just so cute, so adorable. It's very versatile. It's just it's just such a great bag, and I just love it. I've been wearing this bag quite often since I got it, which I've only had it for about a couple of weeks, and I've been wearing it a lot. I've been wearing it with you know, like just about anything. Actually, I was going to say like the exact outfits, but when I think about it, I've been wearing it with just almost anything. I have not been dressing it up though. I feel like it's more of a chill, laid back type of mood. And when I've been wearing this bag, I've been wearing it as a crossbody. I wore it as a backpack I think once, but yeah. So let's just talk about what fits in it and how I pack it. So right now it's completely empty. So here is the bag. Here's the inside. It's completely empty. Alright, so really quickly, sorry, I had a bracelet in the little zipper pocket down here, so I was just removing it. So now it's completely empty. Alright, so I have my Gucci Marmont bag here, and I'm just going to empty it out and switch over all of my products to my Palm Springs Mini, and I'll show you what fits, and then I'll show you how I pack it personally. Okay, so before I get, sorry, there's my dryer again. But alright, so before I get started, I just wanted to show you all that a water bottle could fit in here. I know that's like something that a lot of people question. So there is the water bottle, and it fits right in, and I could zip it up if I wanted to without no extra bulging or anything, and it's just in there, and there's still a lot more room for other, see, it's kind of like bending in. There's a lot of room for more product to go, or more items to go inside as well. I probably won't be carrying a water bottle in here just because I don't know, I just don't feel like I want to do that. Sorry, this is hard to do with one hand, but yeah, I probably won't be carrying a water bottle inside. So here is the inside of the bag. As you can see, it is completely empty, as I mentioned. Now I'm just going to take my other bag and empty that out, and then put the items into here and show you how it fits. Alright, so I know this looks really messy, but here are the items that was in my Gucci bag, and I'm just going to place them in here now. So first, I like to start off with my little mini Kleenex, which I never use, but I just feel like I need to have it with me just in case. So just put that in there for the base. And then I like to add my key clays, or key pouches, whatever you want to call it. So I have the Damier Ebene and the monogram print one, and I take these with me, usually, mostly all the time. And just put those in there as well. And you see how it's like the base of the bag, how it's just sitting up in there. So we still have a lot of room. And then I have my key holder, which is really beat up, so excuse it, I actually need a new one, but I use it every day, so that's why it looks like this. I like to put this in here also, but I typically like to put it on top so that I can have access to my keys and my cards inside as soon as I need to go in and grab, so easy access. So instead, I'm going to go ahead and put my portable iPhone charger in here. And I just put that behind the Kleenex. So now we have like a nice, neat lineup in here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like nice and neat. And then here is the cord for my portable charger. I usually just wrap that up and put it in the little black pouch that my charger was in. but right now I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in there because I don't want to take it back out and do that. Then I have 2 lotions. Just going to add those in there. And then this is when it starts to get messy. So once you, this is really bothering me, so I'm just going to leave this out. And you guys know that I usually have that in there, but it's just bothering me because it looks so chaotic. But I don't feel like pulling that out and doing all that with one hand and in there. Anyway, so this is when it gets chaotic. So I showed you guys the base before I put the lotions in with the Kleenex and my pouches and the charger. It's all just sitting in there like nice and stacked at the bottom. So this is the, okay, so I love this bag, but if you are like me and you like everything neat and organized, this may bug you a little bit, but it's okay, I still love you. So I'm going to go ahead and add these lotions in here, and they're just going to be like floating at the top. Excuse my dryer again. Then I also have 2 hand sanitizers that I'm adding in as well, and they're just like floating at the top. And I don't like it because it starts to get like messy, and I like to have my bags nice and neatly organized, and with this going in there like that, it's not nice and neatly organized, so it bothers me a little bit. But again, I really love this bag, so I just have to like talk myself through it, like it's okay. And yes, I really have to do that because I'm not OCD, but I just like everything in a nice orderly fashion. So I have some lip glosses here, and those are just going to be thrown on the top as well. Then I have chapstick, and then I have my little Bluetooth handheld thing to take pictures on my phone. Just going to throw that in there. And then I have this random lipstick, not sure why, but let's just throw that in there as well. Then my rollerball perfume. And then I have my mask, and I like to put that in this back pocket right here for easy access. So you stuff that in there. And plus I also have a bunch of other masks that I keep in the car, but I like to keep one in my purse just in case. But you guys see how messy that looks? It's just like that big pile up, like, oh my gosh. It's really bothering me just looking at it, so I just gotta keep it closed so I won't see it. No, but seriously, it's bothering me just looking at it. It's just like so messy, all piled up in there like that, and I just don't like that. That's like the only downside about this bag. But if you're not like all such a crazy neat freak like me, then that's no problem. This bag is perfect for you. I mean, I still think it's perfect for me. I just really don't like this. It's just, oh my gosh, it's bothering me. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put my key holder in now. Just put that at the top. And then if I wanted to add some more items, as you can see, I have quite a fair amount of room if I wanted to add some more, but I don't usually carry any more than the items that I just added in there. I mean, unless it's that time of the month, then obviously I'm going to add my feminine products or whatever else. Oh, and sometimes I put my phone in there. So let me grab that really quick. Okay, so I got my AirPods also. These are really essential. They go everywhere with me. And again, I'm just going to put those in that back pocket where I put my mask because I need these like all the time. And then I have the iPhone 11 Pro, and that fits in there. I can just like stick it in there like, okay, well, it's hard to do because I have one hand, but it usually slides in really easy. So see there, and then I can just go ahead and close it up now. I don't really use this pocket right here because it's hard to get in and out of, so I just like let it be. If I do use it, I use it for something that I do not need fast, like I don't need to have easy access to. So yeah, so now it's all packed up, and that's usually what I carry in my bag when I'm carrying all of my bags usually, but this one. And I just wanted to show you that it can actually fit more, so that's what I carry. And then let me, sorry guys, it's so hard to do this with one hand. Let me again give you a glimpse of how it looks inside. It's so messy looking, guys. Oh my gosh, it's bothering me. No, seriously. And then when I'm wearing the bag, it's like when I'm looking for a certain item, I have to like feel all around trying to get to it. But other than that, I love it. I love the flexibility of it. I love the look of it. Again, I just think it's a really cute bag. It's really cute. But yeah, this is the only the only downside of the bag. I just don't like this chaos, this mess, and then I'm just like reaching inside trying to find my products. But alright, so let's see what else can fit in here. As I said, like when it's that time of the month, you can fit your feminine products in here, but you still have this room. So earlier I showed you that the water bottle can fit in. With all of the items that I have already in this bag, obviously a water bottle is not going to fit in here. So I would have to repack it and put the water bottle in first and then add all the other items in. And I can do that really quickly just so you guys can see if it can fit in here with other items. Let's start with the water bottle first. Again, I would not be carrying a water bottle. Let me make sure this is closed tight. Okay. Again, I will not be carrying a water bottle in here, but for those of you who feel like you need to, I'm just going to show you that it still fits with my other items. I am cringing right now because I don't want that water to spill on anything. Put the charger back in here. Now I'm going to put like my lip glosses and my perfume in. And I'm going to take the lotions. Now I'm going to go in with the sanitizers. Then I have another lip gloss that I left out. Chapstick. AirPods, can't forget that. And yeah, I wouldn't recommend putting AirPods in here, like I said, because if you are like me and you use your AirPods all the time, this is not easy access. So I'm just going to put them in my back pocket where my mask is at. Okay, and then my KiaTache. Sometimes I just have this in my hand and I don't put it in my bag. Okay, and I think I can still, oh, I forgot this. That can still go in there if I want to take it. I don't typically take that with me all the time. And I think I can still fit my phone if I really wanted to. Cringy, cringy, cringy. Oh my gosh, so cringy. This is so messy. Oh, yep, my phone slid right in. And oh my gosh, so cringy. It looks so messy, but it all fits. Okay, so let's zip that up. It zips like butter. And it's not bulging or anything. It actually still looks like you can still fit more stuff in here. But yeah, it's not bulging. All of that fit with the water bottle. So that's the good thing about this bag. It holds a lot. It looks really small, but it actually holds a nice amount of items, and I do enjoy that about it as well. There's my ankle bracelet that was in this little pocket earlier, but I don't need that. But yeah, so it holds a great deal of items, and I like that. And it still is not too, like, I'm lifting this with my one hand, and it's not too heavy or anything. So yes, that's what fits in the Palm Springs Mini. And like I said, it looks like I still have more room. Like I could use this if I wanted to. I'm just choosing not to. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to see more videos like this. Anything that you may want to see from me next, just let me know by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you won't miss my next videos. And again, thank you for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later.